Hello. This video is about spudgers. Yes, spudgers. Just explaining what a spudger is. When you want to open something up, it's quite tempting to use a blade, because that's probably what you got hanging around. But the trouble with blades is they cut. So when you're trying to pry something open, the sharp edge of the blade can often damage it. So not necessarily a good idea. So here's a couple of here. This is the iFixit ones. This is the iFixit Jimmy, which is sort of a blade, but not. It's not sharp. And that's what you can use to pry open things. And there's also a little kit they do, which has got various different ones. It looks a bit like a sort of a medieval torture kit that isn't very sharp. So it's basically a section of tools that you can use to lever and pry things open without having a blade present that can damage it. So what we'll do is we'll see how well they work and see whether it's actually worth you buying one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the hard disk over on a laptop, and a lot of the lower end laptops have got plastic cases, and you have to pry them open to get the back panel off. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll get the laptop ready and then we'll begin. So there's a fair few screws. Obviously you remove the battery as well. So let's open it up the other way and see what we can do with our spudger. So the point of a spudger is very simple. Rather than using a big pointy blade to lever it out, you use something that's a bit blunt, and all you do is slide it into the crack and then just lever it off like that. So we'll do that all the way around and see what happens. Now, because it's not got a blade on it, it's not got an edge. I mean, it's thin, but it hasn't got an edge on it. As you're working your way around, you're not slicing, because obviously with a blade, it slices. So you're more likely, there's a bit sticky there, so we'll just give that a bit of a, there we go. And you can see how I'm using it, and it's coming off quite happily. And just pop in the clips. And this is where the other spudgers come in, because what you can do with the other spudgers, isn't which one you use. I'm going to just use that one. Is you can put that under that edge and just use that just to give it a bit of tension to help it pop. So as you work your way along, you can just use that to tension it a bit, give it a bit of leverage. And then that, move those out of the way. Let's see how we're getting on at the back. So there's some clips around the back, but the long and the short of it is, with this tool and maybe something else just to hold it open as you're doing it, it's actually a lot easier to get the plastic off without damaging it, because with the blade, any pressure at all and the blade will slice and cut and dent. So yes, so if you're going to take laptops apart, get yourself one of these, because it's thin enough to fit in the gaps but not sharp so that it doesn't damage it. So yeah, so if you found that helpful, then that's brilliant. Like and subscribe is always appreciated. Any comments, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.